The second prize in science competition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next one, Siddhi Rana from class 5th,
Ma'am.
first position in science competition.
हाँ जी मैम.
Next one, Daniel Malik is second prize given in science competition. Next one, Sonakshi Rana, class 2nd. She won the first prize in Rakhi competition. Next one, Krishna Kumar, class 1st. He won first prize in Rakhi competition. He won first prize in Rakhi competition.
बीच में ओटा.
Next one, Kashifa Malik, class 5th. She won first prize in Rakhi competition. Next one, Shobhit, class 7. He won first prize in Kabaddi. Ma'am, in riding competition.
बेटा सर.
जिन बच्चों को प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहे हैं, सो प्लीज वो एक जगह ही रहें, कहीं ना जाएं। मैं दोबारा कह रही हूँ, जो बच्चों को सर्टिफिकेट मिल चुके हैं वो सब यहीं रहें, कहीं ना जाएं। एंड नेक्स्ट वन, अंशिका कुमार, क्लास 6. शी वॉन फर्स्ट प्राइज इन राइटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन.
नहीं ना भेज कर. ना. मैम.
Bharti Rana, class 2nd. She won first prize in writing competition. Next one, Anmol Kumar, class 7. He won first prize in writing competition.
बेटा.
And next, Sajia Chaudhary, class 4. She won second prize in writing competition.
बेटा पीछे जरा.
Next one, Nidhi Yadav, class 6. She won first prize in table competition. Next one, Yashika, class 4. She won first prize in table competition. Next one, Keshav Sharma, class 1st. He won first prize in table competition. अलग रख दो, अलग रख दो.
मैम.
Next one, Rupal Rana, class 3rd. She won first prize in table competition. Next one, Gori, class 2nd. She won first prize in table competition. Next one, Sheikh Imtiaz Ahmed, class 7. He won first prize in table competition.
हेलो.
आओ ठीक है। मैं ना एक बार सुनो, आने ना आने की मैं तुम्हें सुनो बताऊंगा कि कॉल करके ठीक है ना।
यस मैम।
क्या टाइम होगा मैं बताऊंगा तुम्हें, 2:30 बजे। हाँ मैं बताऊंगा 2:30 बजे, बताऊंगा 2:30 बजे। हाँ हाँ
साजिया,
के लिए क्या है
पलक शर्मा, प्रांजल शर्मा,
शाम को
सिद्धि राणा, निशु चौहान, please come on the stage.
होटल मारी हो।
These from Kho participated. They won first prize in Kho competition.
यस यस इधर देखो बेटा इधर।
अरे बाबा हाथ हाथ रहा।
And next, our distribution is Sincere Parents in PTM. Lucky class first and